Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to HUAWEI Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, go to Home, and now you can add loyalty card, coupons or gift cards. First, let's enter loyalty card, add new, and now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Simply enter card number, company name, name of the card, and expiration date. Tap done, and it's set. Now let's go back, enter coupons, and again add new, scan your card, or enter manually. Same thing with the gift card. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.